Bonjour tout le monde. Good morning or good day everyone. Today let us see very important grammar of lesson 3, les pronoms interrogatifs. Okay, so what is pronoun interrogative? Is this one. In English, wherever we use which one, there all we are using this pronoun interrogative. Last year we have studied this as adjective interrogative with kale, 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 kale alone. And now additionally you are adding this one, la, la, le, le. So the meaning for kale is which, and le, la, les added to this is which one. Hope it is clear. Okay, so now let us move on to the exercise 6. They have given an example here. And you are going to frame answer like this for all the remaining 5. Okay, so words ending up with E are always feminine singular. Words ending up with ES, feminine plural. Words ending up with S or X is masculine plural. Words ending up with other alphabets are what? Masculine singular. Hope it is clear. I will repeat one more time. Words ending up with other alphabets are this one, masculine singular. Words ending up with E are feminine singular. Words ending up with S or X. Words ending up with S or X is masculine plural. Words ending up with ES is feminine plural. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now, first let me explain the example. Des articles amusants. Okay. No, before getting into the exercise, there are some exceptionals also. We have studied like this, is it? Words ending up with E is feminine singular. Words ending up with ES is feminine plural. Words ending up with S or X is masculine plural. Words ending up with other alphabets are masculine singular. But there are some exceptionals also. Okay, so this also you keep it in your mind. Now, let us see this one. Des articles amusants. Des articles amusants. The word they itself indicates that it is plural. And it is ending up with S. So it is plural. Okay. So, it is ending up with S. So it is masculine plural. So what is the pronoun interrogative given here for masculine plural? It is lesquels. 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 So we lesquels. So same like this example, we are going to work out even this 5 questions. So now, they disc. The word they indicates that it is plural, and disc, though it is ending up with es, it is masculine plural only. It is exceptional. I told you in the very beginning, there are some exceptionals also. Exceptionals, no other way, you have to by heart. Hope it is clear. Okay, now what is the masculine plural here? Lesquels. So the same lesquels I have written, lesquels. Now let us move on to the second one. Let us move on to the second one. J'ai vu un film de science. J'ai vu un film de science. Okay, what is the noun here? Unfilm. The word un indicates that it is masculine singular. Okay, film also it is ending up with M, it is other alphabet, so it is confirmed that it is masculine singular. So what is the pronoun interrogative given here for masculine singular? Lequel. Lequel. Are we lequel? Hope it is clear. Okay, then third one. J'ai appris une belle chanson. Harmul. Yun. The word yun. The article yun indicates that it is feminine singular. Belle chanson. Again it is belle chanson. You have to see E here. Beautiful song. Okay. So what? It confirms that it is feminine singular. So what is the pronoun interrogative given for feminine singular here? Laquelle. 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 So that is what I have written here. Okay. So answer for this is this. Then next one. J'ai rencontré mes cousines. Mes cousines. Okay. Mes. The word mes indicates that the article. Mes is article partitive. It indicates that it is plural. Cuisine ending up with es. So what kind of plural it is? Feminine plural. Since it is ending up with es, it is feminine plural. Okay. So what is the interrogative given here for feminine plural? Les, L-E-S-Q-U-E-L-L-E-S. Okay. Then j'ai pris une décision importante. I have taken an important decision. The word yun itself indicates that it is feminine singular. Okay, though it is ending up with n, it is feminine singular because yun is given here. Okay, so what is the pronoun interrogative for feminine singular here? What is the pronoun interrogative for feminine singular here? Laquelle. L-A-Q-U-E-L-L-E. Are we laquelle? Okay, so same like this example, we have to frame the answers for the exercise also. Hope it is clear. Okay, so now let me explain the meaning. J'ai acheté des disques très bon marché. I bought some discs. Yes, which one? Okay, like that you are asking the question. I saw a film. J'ai vu un film de science-fiction. I saw a film of science fiction. Yes, which one? Like that you are framing the question. J'ai appris une belle chanson. Tamil. I have learnt a beautiful song in Tamil. I have learnt a beautiful Tamil song. Oui. We means yes. Which one? Laquelle means which one? Hope it is clear. J'ai rencontré mes cousins. I met my cousins. Cousins. Yes. Who are those? Like that. Okay. J'ai pris une décision importante. I have taken a decision, important decision. Yes. Which one? We? Which one? Like that, the answer is. Hope it is clear. Okay. Their disc means some disc. Film means a film. Une belle chanson. Une belle chanson. A beautiful song. Mes cousins means my cousins. Une décision. A decision. Okay. So please be thorough with this pronoun interrogative. Le pronoun interrogative. Please write this in your classwork along with the meaning. This meaning in English is not given in your classwork or even so it's not given in your book. So please draw a tabular column. Write this one. Okay. Merci. Merci means thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Au revoir. Goodbye. Bonjour. Have a nice day. Now let us see page number 26, seventh exercise. Same adject, pronoun anthrogatu only. Let me have a quick recap of what we have learned. Lequel, masculine singular. Laquelle, feminine singular. Lesquels, masculine plural. Lesquels, feminine plural. Okay. The word or noun ending up with E is feminine singular. ES, if it is ending up with ES, it is feminine plural. S or X, it is masculine plural. Other alphabets, if it is ending up with other alphabets, then it is masculine singular. There are some exceptionals also. Okay. So now let us see this exercise, seventh exercise. Je prends le blue géant. The article le indicates that it is masculine singular. Le blue géant, masculine singular. So what is the answer for masculine singular here? What is the answer for masculine singular here? Lequel. And now, as you can refer the example given, you have to frame it to interrogative sentence. Prawn je. Okay, so prawn should come front, and you have to put an hyphen and then je. So you have to inverse it. It is called inversion. So that is what they have done here. Lequel, prawn je, and a question mark. Then the next one, elle met les boîtes. The article les indicates that it is plural. Les indicates that it is plural. It is ending up with es. So it is feminine plural. And what is the interrogative, pronoun interrogative given here for feminine plural? Lesquels. So that is what is given here. Okay. Then elle met, you have to inverse it to met hyphen L. So lesquels met elle. Then je veux les chemises. The word, the article les itself indicates that it is plural, and since it is ending up with es, feminine plural. So lesquels, je veux, you have to inverse it to veux je. Then since it is feminine plural, you have to bring this interrogation here. Okay, pronoun interrogative here. Then les pantalons. Les pantalons, the article les indicates that it is plural. Since it is ending up with s, it is masculine plural. And what is the pronoun interrogative given here for masculine plural is lesquels, lesquels. So lesquels, lesquels l'avons-nous. L'avons-nous, you are just inversing it with an hyphen. That's it. That's the only difference. So lesquels l'avons-nous. Hope it is clear for you. Okay. Now the next one is elle cherche les saris. Elle cherche les saris. The article les indicates that it is masculine plural. It is plural. And since it is ending up with s, it is masculine plural. It is plural. Les indicates that it is plural. Since it is ending up with s, it is masculine plural. Lesquels. So what is the pronoun interrogative for here? Masculine plural is lesquels, And what is this? Cherche L. You have to inverse and write it. Cherche hyphen ELLES. So that's what they have written here. Lake L, cherche L. Hope it is clear for you all. Okay, so let me tell you the meaning. Je prends le blue jean. I take the blue jean. Okay, so the meaning is which one I take. Here, which one I take. You are changing the sentence to. Elle met les bottes. She took the boots. Both means boots. Which one she took? Then, je veux les chemises. I want the shirts. Which one you want? Which one I want? Sorry, which one I want? Then, nous lavons les pantalons. We wash the pants. Which one we wash? Then, elle cherche les saris. They search the saris. Which one they search? Hope it is clear for you. Hope it is clear for you all. Okay. Merci.